Greetings everyone, I bring another video for you. I hope then from the channel. This is focused on the price action. There are many people who ask what the price action is, and we are going to try to explain it. That will have then the sense to define action zones, since sometimes the market is governed by these zones. Of course, price action is most true where the financial markets, but the markets could be also be respected. Third, of course, the OTC markets, similar markets. Remember that. What is the difference from the one market to another financial market? Real markets is such as where us behaviors based on news. Based on liquid, mostly OTC, it's market simulation platform. Alright. The price will go against to make the various majority lose. And that's how simulated markets works. That is one of people say that is more than this gamble, but it's not so. Remember, that's one looks for a partner, and the idea is also this to look for a partner for that. So I'm going to quickly to go live as well on a skin draw there. I can even show or explain more correctly. That's the trend chart. Shaping is a platform for analyzing charts. Okay. Price actions occurs in the markets, while cryptocurrencies, currency indices, other prices, actions, as such as the analysis of the price and assets as simple as that. We are analyzing the asset base of the price. We see it already reactions, what is going to react to. And that's what I'm going to show here as areas for off-rifting. As said at the beginning, the price moved by liquidity. And as well as go up through the candle, not indicator do not move the price. You can see the indicator is failing and tells you no, all right? So let's first define order block. What is that? Order block. The order block is last bearish bullish candles of movements. What is that? Bullish is that last handle, had the candle of the trend. So in that last candle, if you look at this movement, we have a big green candle. Right, we just talked about that in the last live, right? And look at the price is reaction, guys. Where's that going? In the words, it's not coincident the price is low down again. In the case, it's a Bitcoin, right? But look at the price is slowing down against approximately 52,000. It's almost 52,000. And that's logical because it's price actions. This tells me, yes, of course, that's his range, no? But beyond that, this is what is the fury and the bullish order block tell me. What is that bullish order block? Just pay attention when we have the highest and the lowest point. Okay. So what is that red candle at bearish movements? In the case looks falling, and here disappears here, the relationship occurs. That's to say that here we have the possibly entry zone more or less than 50,000. 900 approximately that the fury order. Look at that. Okay. How we define order block, because here's another one. You see that the trend. If you see another one, we quickly rose the macro trends. If the movement is the end of cars, we generally have that's what we have here. The block on the ray, since the peso movements is waves, and with the draw the price is doing this, it's moving in waves. All right, but it's like that. Other block is kind of this zone with the lowest and the highest point between the zones, the resistance support zone. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Because the price is low down here, it couldn't happen there in maiden mass model. So the correct way to define that the best luck is the end of the movement, where is all the starts. Here, what I'm in live, what you can then find with this one right here, where the starts and pretty much the starts of moves here. Of course, the grain of the other board, where you don't know what is point is going directly. Do you know that there is liquidity? You don't know how much. You don't know how much. What does it mean? The price can react here in the middle of the extreme. So I'm going to quickly explain this concept of this one, and that we will only do with this order block. I guess the rain candle. Okay. We have the price that makes the price has 3 zones. You can see that. Just make these lines. All right, that area. And the first zone is called the sensitive zone. Sensitive zone is that zone where the price is more easy to arrive because it's the first zone. It's or resistance zone. You don't know if that's point the price will turn around, right? Seconds in intermediate. Okay. Our 50 squares already mitigate 50 of the other block, but the bottom out the up. It is the best. Sometimes it's come here to the turns around. I see there sometimes it does it, but it has but feeling it is rotates, reacts strongly. Sometimes it is not enough. And we got the ultimate zone. Alright. It's pretty like the support zone, guys. Okay. So it's almost the same. You can see that. Look at that. Alright. It's like this movement. Yeah. You can follow this one. Sometimes you can follow this, but we need to get assured of that. Okay, it's not always, oh my god, we can use that like the Elliott waves. Alright. It's good to know how to work the theory, but it's not always that you can use this. So we're liquid enough to make the move. Sometimes it's not like that, but it's coming falling, it's coming falling, it's coming falling the bridge of this underneath to deceive that everything is going to break, and in the end what it does is return with force. That's why you have to be careful. Alright, with the sail, saw this rear, and that's pretty good. You can see that's mark. Alright. So, do you know the price can react here? So you can reduce this example. I have the, oh look, in the area, that's just pretty nice. You'd always look in the end of the movement. That's important. The end of the movement like the climax. What is the strong zone? Why if you break that 50,500 zone here, some of the price is gone. Not that it's already tells it did not break, but went down, and then we expect the retracement is go down. Simple, not that it was one looks for the trend for the looks for zones, and with the totes the stop loss. Or did I close operation? You say no. I was doing a simple change direction. Why? Because it's already confirming this change of structure. I change off the tendons, etc. It does not depend on the case as such. We focus on the price action that is based here. The waves generated by direction zone, the lows they make. Now assuming you're saying no, the area is very large. Yes, because the tangent is too light. And then example, in 1 hour, 15 minutes. I lose it. Yes, I can lose it. Really, the price can stay here and scratch suddenly or not fall anymore here to sleep half an hour above the below, and you lose all the trades at that moment, but no waiting for the warning. So also we can do this. You're going to do that in the case an example of the 1 hour and 15 minutes. All right, and here I go to the sport right. So what I do is tell me Fury in the last red candle before the trend reversal. Do you mean that the average card of a look at the big red candle, they were all one? This is the one that does not drop. But in 15 minutes in this case, here it appears now that is the area rejects here. So what is do that mean? Well, it's giving me the better entry point, and then more temporarily you fall. The better, because it's giving me you the most correct entry. So right here, guys, if you notice now, if I see excuse me, if I see 1 hour in the B clock, I already was here from the point. This point right here, it's not a big one, so it's almost matching 50% of the other block. Then it will be acceptable. It would be being acceptable. The wireless see that here is giving me a bad entry point and the second. Well, the probability that with wording will be perfectly given. So I recommend that you use guys analysis, assuming that's the binary. If you go to the box option, I am the binaries. Analyze the area and I say, well, here it comes Laura. The capture is not very big and I'm got to down. Okay. M3, M1, and then I draw the clear financial markets. And that's it. In the case this candle, guys, well, let's go up here, is go up with this. I can consider that on to be this candle. Although it's red and this candlestick as well, still bullish. I mean, well, it's not that bearish. You can say it doesn't feel in all this win.
Hey, wait a minute. How about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
So you can consider this candle as such. We see that this area. Well, the lower part, all right? Okay, look at that. You can see that. And remember, guys, always remember that. Lowest and highest point. Okay? Oh, James, but that is look like about the other thing. Yeah, it's almost have the similar things. That is normal. That's very, very normal. It's almost the same thing. Okay. Okay, right here it would be the green one. We're going to see to this. Wait, goes there. Yeah. Look right here where you got the points and react. That is, he was very close to this 50,001, 100s, 800s. I'll go back to analysis. Maybe we're not going to leave for 5 minutes to see that's other blocks more efficient and are putting more accurate. It's not the last time. The green one before the fall, guys. It's fall again. The rise is not possible here. We're going to put it together with the book, but the lock, what is giving me the bear entry here? It's 56 to 51. Yep. I assume that is not a number, but look at the entry here, guys. 51 or 800 to 51 500. It's, yeah, I did not tell you a word that price can fall, but it don't know with certain sciences. So as I said for you, so it is not so easy, and it helps for you to understand how the price action works, guys. So it will be live with all this video and see you on the YouTube channel, guys. Have a good one. Thanks so much. Bye. See you.